G'day folks, welcome to my channel again, Skypilot here. I've got the Green Hornet here. I've had a couple of messages from people saying, does that thing do flips and rolls? And I say, yeah it does. And they go, no way. So I'm just going to do some line of sight here and show you guys that this beast, this flying saucepan, actually does do flips if you want it to. It is sporting a 1550 Tatau 4S, so it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm going to give it a crack anyway. Links down below, text and specs, previous videos as always guys, and really good to see you. Drop us a thumbs up, that'd be awesome, super appreciated. Hope you're all doing well, and let's get flying. Skypilot, the Green Hornet. Will it actually flip? I've taken the stock VTX lollipop off and stuck on my own Foxeer right-hand circular polarized lollipop. SMA should do the trick really well. And if I haven't already mentioned folks, this thing's really loud. Quick line of sight first. As I said, quite loud. And get straight into one of those flips that I was talking about. Okay, we ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and flip. There we go. And 3, 2, 1, and flip. There you have it, guys. It will actually flip. Let's try a backwards flip, shall we? I might need some air for this one. There we go. Sweet. There you have it guys. Yes, the Green Hornet does do flips and rolls, and quite well too. Good stuff. Okay, let's get the VTX going and let's go for a scoot around. Chuck the DJI Osmo ACTION up the front here, so we're going to lose some live feed here. Just shooting this with my run cam orange. I'll just set up on the bench top and off we go. What do you reckon, gang? Thumbs up, drop us a comment. This thing's loud. Good fun though. The Green Hornet, one of the good guys. Definitely one of the good guys. Take it easy, gang.